Hello and welcome back to Unreal University. Today at Game Developers Conference, Unreal Engine previewed some upcoming features coming to Unreal Engine version 5.4, which is set to release next month around late April. In this video, we're going to cover the top upcoming features that they mentioned. Unreal Engine 5.4 introduces a world-class update to animation systems, featuring production-ready motion matching technology. This revolutionary approach selects the best animation frame from a database, aiming for a perfect match to the character's current position and movement. It's designed for not just walking or running, but also complex animations like jumping, falling, ensuring seamless transitions and lifelike animations. To support developers, Unreal Engine is releasing a sample project with over 500 AAA quality animations free for all developers. This toolset is complemented with a debugging tool ensuring fluid and realistic motion in all scenarios. Unreal Engine 5.4 also boasts significant improvements in rendering, from breathtaking scenes powered by nanite desolation to enhanced volumetric effects and performance optimizations. The engine is now more efficient than ever. Highlights include faster lumen shadow, ray tracing enhancements, and a reduction in render thread and GPU times by up to 50 and 25% respectively. Understanding the importance of developer efficiency, Unreal Engine 5.4 introduces faster C++ compile times, fewer shader compiles, and streamlined onboarding for Unreal Cloud DDC. These updates are aimed at accelerating the development process, making it more smoother and intuitive. Unreal Engine 5.4 expands its PCG framework, enabling artists to create vast art-directable worlds with ease. New features include runtime architecture generation and attribute set tables. The framework has been battle-tested in major projects like LEGO Fortnite, showcasing its power to generate unique, expansive environments. Audio enhancements. MetaSounds, Unreal Engine's foundation for audio, brings next-gen sound capabilities from granular synthesized vehicles to dynamic ambience in games. MetaSounds offers unparalleled control and quality. An experimental audio profiling tool called Insights further aids sound designers in crafting immersive audio landscapes. Unreal Engine 5.4 is shaping up to be an essential upgrade for developers, with improvements across the board from animation and rendering to audio and content generation. A preview version of Unreal Engine 5.4 is available now, with the full release coming soon in late April. That's all, and if you want to learn how to create full games inside of Unreal Engine, make sure to check out my website, Unreal Engine University. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!